Hi there, today we're going to review LCD screen for Raypak heater control panel. It's for the pools, and make sure you're gonna get exactly same for the model. And before installing, remove the screen protection, and you're gonna receive with the clips already. And this is the connections, and make sure get the right. And it looks really nice, professional quality, I can tell, and it looks really good quality. It should display original as standard as you're gonna have on your heater screen panel. So we'll definitely recommend it. It's a really great product. This is the number. Make sure check if it's the same number.